Hey everybody, together we're going to do a corresponding angle problem. So come on over here and grab a pen or a marker, okay? And we want to know what the value of this x is, okay? So we know that this angle here is 3 times x, and this angle here is 120 degrees, right? And notice they're also corresponding. So what that means is 3 times x is going to equal 120 degrees. So that's going to be our equation. So 3 times x equals 120 degrees. And again, the reason why they're equal is they're corresponding. So now all we have to do is we have to solve for x. So remember, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. And when I do that, 120 divided by 3 will give you 40. So x equals 40.